Hi there. Okay, super excited. All my tea towels have been redesigned. They're here, they're awesome. I can't wait to share them with you. The big thing is that they're bigger. They're actually a bigger print size on the towel. The towel's the same. It's an amazing flour sack tea towel quality. It is 100% cotton. It's machine washable, so none of that has changed. So if you love my tea towels, you're still gonna love these, but all of the designs have changed. All right, so let me show you just how big I'm talking about. So this is my pretty Petals, and it's 14 by 16 inch of the design. So that's pretty big. You can still fold them. You can still make them beautiful on your oven or on your cabinet. It's just now the artwork is bigger. And I love how they all look. I wanted to have a sort of a collage look and feel, so that's why some flowers are bigger than others. So this one is Pretty Petals. All right, this one is the adorable sea animals. And again, it's just a bigger design, but then I took some of my favorite little animals and made them even bigger, like that adorable otter. All right, for the cottage garden, I just took the ones that I loved and made them bigger. Look at that peony. So pretty. And so just so you know too, like when I do these towels, they're all from my little watercolor drawings. Okay, so one of the things that I've been asked to do is bring back my cactus tea towel, but I decided to actually put a cactus on my succulents because I know there's a lot of cactus and succulent lovers. One of the favorites around here, especially where I live out in California, is the Wildflower one. And so I decided to make the poppy the hero, so you can really see that beautiful golden poppy in the center. Also, just for this holiday, dun, 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 I'm so excited. I have wanted to do this for a very long time, and I found the time this year to create a beautiful, just limited edition Christmas holiday tea towel. So you got your mistletoe, your amaryllis, your poinsettia, and I have been asked so many times to make this towel. So here it is. So this is part of my lineup for the rest of the year, and wait till you guys see how they look rolled. So I roll each one with the help of my mom and my friends, and aren't they so cute? Like each one has its own little tag. They're just so much fun. So I roll them all. They make perfect gifts. And for those of you who don't know all of the many, many uses for a flour sack tea towel, I just got to share that with you. Besides slinging it over your shoulder while you're cooking, which is all of the time, tea towels, flour sack towels, are also great for drying your wine glasses. They are so absorbent and they leave no streaks, so they're perfect for drying glasses. Flour sack towels are great when you're baking. You can use it when you're making bread and it's rising and put it over the top. Or I actually use mine when I'm rolling out dough and I want to transfer the dough to my pie plate. I'll put a flour sack towel over it, flip it over, put it into 4/4 and pop that into the pie pan. For produce, like in the refrigerator, instead of using paper towels, you can use your flour sack towels to put over your produce, for your lettuce, over anything that's just been washed. You can put them in bread baskets so food doesn't get soggy and your rolls don't get soggy. I also have turned these into napkins for dinner table place settings, which is so fun and different, and just everybody loves them. I have this great tip that my mom told me about. If you have a bottle of white wine and you want it chilled really fast, you take your towel, you damp it, you run under water, squeeze it, and wrap it around the bottle and stick the bottle in the freezer for 30 minutes, and it's gonna be chilled, ice cold, perfect. So that's one of my favorite things to do. And then what I love, love, love to do around holiday time or any kind of gift giving time is to use the towels for gift wrap. You could wrap your bread. You could wrap a bottle of wine. You could wrap a candle. You could wrap a beautiful thing of succulents and wrap the succulents one around it. They make great gifts, but they also make great gift wrap. Another thing that is great too is like all your old flour sack towels, Don't throw them away. They get like super, super soft, and then eventually you want to replace them, but take the super soft ones and then use them as your rag. Put them in like a little rag pile, and then you can use those for odds and ends around the house. I know you're gonna love these flour sack towels the way I use them all the time. I think you're gonna love them. My towels are available now on my website, and you can also get a bundle pricing so you can give them as gifts and keep them for yourself. All right, bye-bye.